ever share this type of stuff here. And let me just refresh the screen right quick. As you can see, everything's still the same. And I just want to say, guys, this is adult marketing. I never talk about this stuff. This is very, very, very below and behind the scene type stuff that I never cover. You can make literally millions with this industry very fast. If you think about Facebook ads, there's millionaires created, but with adult marketing, there's way more millionaires that can be created with this. And I'm scaling things very big right now. Basically what I do is I run very, very smart affiliate campaigns. And I build this for people as well, but I do this on my own. And I build these super like brilliant, okay? May I just say brilliant campaigns. And they're smart campaigns, which means basically every detail is thought about, the whole strategy is thought about, everything. Okay, let me show you this right here. Payout is coming on the next 2 days. That's $7,682 right there. And these are a bunch of offers right here you can basically promote. And this is a very, very powerful method, guys, because once again, you can make thousands per day very fast, hundreds per day very fast. And the networks you can go on to get traffic is Traffic Junkie, ExoClick, Plug Rush. I personally mainly use ExoClick, Plug Rush, and Traffic Junkie, but there's ones like Traffic Factory. Then there's ones called Arrow Advertising and Juicy Ads and all these. Now, you can go on any CPA network or any affiliate network and promote any type of offer you really want to. You don't just have to do adult offers. That's what most people get wrong. You can promote mainstream offers. You can promote health offers, wealth offers, love offers. You can promote e-com offers, sweepstakes, everything, okay? And you can make a lot of money doing it. You just need to do the funnel correctly. So basically, I'll give you some tips in this video, but go to Crack Revenue. That's the dating network that this is right here. And I mean, guys, I'm literally crushing it, okay? Look, until I'm VIP, that's just another $13,000, okay? So at the end of the day, you're learning from someone who literally is crushing adult marketing. I have a whole course about this stuff. I don't talk about this for free like anywhere, okay? I'm just sharing you results here. And if you want to get in the adult course, get in the adult course because it can literally just transform your whole entire life because this is underground industry. For example, people are losing their Facebook ad accounts due to the high restriction that Facebook has, okay? Now, I remember back when I basically was dealing with some strict things about Facebook, never lost a single ad account, anything. And all that happened was they're just strict on ads. I was like, there's gotta be another alternative because people are actually losing their ad accounts, okay? So I came into this huge research phase and I discovered that adult advertising literally has so much traffic. It's not strict at all. You could run any offer you want in the world and you will not have any worries at night worrying about getting your campaigns like cut off, okay? Cut off, which is awesome because now you could just focus on scaling, building the right funnel, and just scaling to the moon and making tons of money. This opportunity is very underground. No one talks about this stuff, I swear. And there's good reason behind why they don't, because they want to keep it for themselves. But I'm telling you right now, I really want to bring people into this ecosystem and the audience here that also does adult marketing and also is learning about it, because this can make people millions very quickly because once again, the traffic is so cheap. Guess how much the traffic is? The traffic is literally like, it's like 30 cents per 1,000 impressions. And then the average cost per click is like 1 cent to 10 cents. And you split test all the way down to getting it to like 3 cents cost per click on average, which is basically unheard of on Facebook ads because Facebook ads is like $1 per click. And basically the funnel I do personally is I run traffic to a really good opt-in page. And sometimes I put a survey before the opt-in page to build up some micro commitments so people are more likely to give their email. After the opt-in, I basically send people to a bridge page, okay, that convinces them about the offer. And I use a lot of videos, okay? Videos of me explaining the offer I'm promoting to people and exciting them about it. And the next thing is I push them to the offer after the bridge page. But then the most important part is I have an email follow-up sequence. This is the most important. The email follow-up sequence basically promotes more offers, okay? And then the email follow-up sequence also has a very high ticket offer in the back end, which is the secret. So basically, whatever the high ticket offer is in your advertising, whatever you do, if it's a $1,000 product, if it's a $5,000 thing, you can spend $5,000 on traffic and you'll break even with the high ticket thing, but everything else is profit. May I remind you, based off what I just said there, all of this is profit, all of it, okay? Because I'm breaking even at the high ticket thing, and all that right there is high, that's literally profit. Where I'm making money from the other thing is in a Stripe account. So Stripe account's a separate payment. It's not crack revenue. This is crack revenue right here. So guys, this is what my strategy is. It's very powerful. I can go in depth on it in the mentorship. If you want to get mentorship with me, it's worth your money like crazy. I'll explain everything way in depth. And if you want to get the adult course, get the adult course, because the adult course will teach you everything also, but not fully the strategy. If you want to go in depth specifically for your strengths and your weaknesses, I go in depth, custom, like what you need to do, like a custom advice for you specifically. That's what the mentorship is. And I help you one-on-one. We talk one-on-one. We change your life together, okay, which is very fun. And basically, that's that. And if you want to get the done for your service, get the done for your service. I'm going to freaking build you the funnel, which if you don't know how to build the funnel, which I'm guaranteeing you don't, then that's what you need. You need to get the done for your service for adult. All right, and I will see you guys in more videos. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace out. Boom.